Introducing the Rockville RLB50 Rolling Padded Lighting Bag, your ultimate solution for hassle-free transport and organization of your PAR, effects, wash, and mini moving headlights and accessories. Let's break it down, shall we? The Rockville RLB50 is not your ordinary bag. It's a padded rolling transport bag designed to fit our Rockville lights and the most popular lighting fixtures by Chauvet, American DJ, and other top brands. But what sets it apart? Well, number one, it's built for convenience. First off, this bag comes with built-in wheels and a retractable trolley handle. Say goodbye to back strain and hello to effortless transportation. Whether you're moving heavy fixtures for a gig or setting up at a venue, the RLB50 makes it a breeze. Number two, it has padded customizable compartments. Now pay attention, this is where the magic happens. The bag's got 6 main compartments inside, and guess what? 5 removable dividers. And here's the kicker, these dividers are movable. Yep, you've heard me right, we've added extra velcro along the interior. So if you've got 4 lights, 2 larger and 2 smaller, just slide those dividers around, voila, all of your lights are snug and secure. There are a bunch of different transporting combinations you can make by rearranging the dividers to whatever fits your needs. And number 3, this bag is accessory heaven. Those external side pockets, they're like Mary Poppins' bag, endless space. Cables, clamps, tape, and other accessories, they've got a cozy home right here. No more frantic searches backstage when you have 4 accessory pockets all around the bag. So let's recap. Plush padded compartments, check. Wheels and a trolley handle, double check. Compatibility with all of our Rockville lights and fixtures like the Q Spot series, Intim Spot series, Intim Bean series, and a bunch of other lights, triple check. And the best part, again, like I said before, the RLB50 fits most lights because we've made the compartments fully adjustable. It's like a tailor-made suit for your gear. So whether you're a musician, DJ, lighting tech, or stage ninja, grab the RLB50 and roll into lightning greatness. So if you're looking for a rolling lighting travel bag with wheels, a trolley handle, and accessory pockets, look no further than the RLB50 from Rockville.